This is my favorite cup. You can't see a duplicate of it anywhere. So anytime you feel down, sip your usual coffee from
it. Is there a problem?
Thank you, but I don't need coffee.
Nothing is more soothing than a sip from your favorite nerve calmer. So I made this for you. The way you hold a cup so tight, I don't think there's anything out there that would ever break you. From the jars of your sip, it's clear that this is where you get your charm from.
Did I do something wrong? Held on to this for too long. Long enough into our sessions. This is a part of me I need you to take from me. I'm sorry, but I can't do this.
Hey babes, what's up? Are you okay? How did it go?
I'm trying.
Oh, come on. You'll be fine. You're going to be fine, okay? We are going to be fine. You've had a long day. Let's go to sleep. Okay.
Oh, God.
Sorry. Emily, breakfast is... You can't keep doing this. Have you ever wondered if the world is going to end? Listen, you need to go back and complete what you started. Yes. I know Grace is a very busy counselor and blogger, but she loves you so much to always make out time. So you need her to help you properly. Oh, please.
How do I look?
Okay, you look better than January 19th. To me. Don't worry. Oh, come on. Everything will be fine.
Can you tell me which is yours? I guess there's a challenge already, but there's always a solution. Just make it big. Ah, you picked the wrong one. Clearly, all the marks or scars are gone from your cup. And that is because I took time out to thoroughly scrub it. I made a mark by the side on one of the cups to identify yours. You picked the wrong cup, but that did not limit you from eventually picking the right one. It's the same with life. We make mistakes. We have scars, but we take all of them and put them beneath us and move on. So, take me on a journey of your coffee experience. Who is he?
That is Benji. He radiates with a soft confidence and vibe. His flawless public facade is masked with private despair. What was that for?
Because I'm right here, you're not giving me any attention.
Well, clearly I can see you.
But your beauty is fixed on the TV instead of my poor eyes.
Wait, you call those eyes poor? Nah. No way, because you always have eyes for good things.
Like how I have eyes for you, right?
Look, now that I have decided to come visit you and watch a movie with you, can I just enjoy the movie in peace?
I think I know what to do. I'm gonna take advantage of this charm.
What do you want to do?
Don't worry, just wait and watch. Well, I thought I might make something a little soft, but not too hard for you.
Oh my goodness. You are just too silly. Listen, I can never say no to this. Thank you.
It takes a man that is attentive to his lady to know what she wants at every time.
And who is this man?
This very demure man. Very mindful.
So silly.
Now you give me attention. Do you want to sing?
No.
Okay.
Gosh,
And you know, this is like my favorite spot to chill.
I like it.
Nobody's disturbing you. Just come here, do your thing.
Right?
Have you taken a picture with this dress today?
No.
Why are you wasting the moment?
Oh, do you want to be my photographer today?
Oh, yes, let's go.
Okay.
Every moment you must steal it. You don't let it go.
Okay. Are you ready for me to pose?
Yes. Give me your best look.
Okay.
Your best side.
This is my best side. Okay.
Give me some different, vibes. Give me poses.
Okay.
Do something different.
No, stop it, Reggie. Leave me alone. Let me pose.
Okay.
Okay.
Give you some wicked shots. 10 over 10 minus nothing. I love that laughter.
You're so silly, Benji.
Move that waist for me.
Which waist am I moving for you?
Okay.
Let me see. Are you taking a video or a picture?
Listen.
What?
Anyway, sit down. Let me show you what I've done. But the thing is,
What?
you remind me of my grandmother.
What? Why would you say something like that, Benji?
Because you're not moving your waist. You're not doing anything with your waist. It's like, when has you used this waist?
What kind of question is that?
I'm just saying, like...
Benji, stop it. Let me see. Let me see what you
some
have.
waist
Let me see.
movement. Look at that.
Oh.
Look.
Oh, I like.
That's the magic that I create.
Nice. Wow, Benji.
Imagine if you're not moving your waist.
In a picture.
Yes, now.
Oh my God.
You just give me an angle.
Oh my gosh.
It's nice, right?
Wait, is this not weird?
No, it's not weird. You're my strength. Listen, this poetry audition is so important to me.
Okay, so can I go ahead and hit record?
Yes, but let me rehearse one more time. Let me catch my breath. I'm ready.
Okay, let's go and action.
Here I am, feeling murderous before a superpower I know that I lack. And before my breath smoldering with stolen passion in a world where I'm allowed not to be sane anymore. Here I am, standing and thinking of your red rose lips, a lip that should be made none less for the madness of imagination, of beautiful music and song, than for the madness of kissing. Now that you have me before a screen that radiate before your tender eyes, I could suspend my lips, placing it on yours if your hand desires to end the recording just the way I am adding to your coffee experience. This is my little sketch captured next to a coffee cup. Well, this confession should only be uttered when a yes is eager to be heard.
Wow.
Yes. That is the kind of person he is. He's He's soft, he's sweet, he's gentle, caring, attentive, calculative, funny, goofy, just everything that gives off good vibes.
I can imagine any woman being swept off her feet.
He swept me off my feet. And he took the feet. There are no legs that can withstand his charm.
And who is he?
The other guy. His name is Sonny.
I thought that meal would really help your blood sugar level. Your white meat is better than red meat. So, when last did you hear from your parents?
God, why am I here?
What's wrong? You don't like the food?
Oh, no. The food is nice.
You know, you don't really have to lie to me, okay? I know I'm a bad cook.
No, really. I like it. It's delicious.
So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In your father's house.
Is everything okay?
I'm okay. I'm sorry. I'm fine.
You know, I was thinking, right? Since we're maturing gradually into the talking stage, I thought maybe we just skip that class and, you know, graduate straight into the PhD of our relationship. So we can really dissect the compatibility of our people, both of us, you know, as a couple.
At this point, I need very chilled, super cold, freezing water.
It's just that.
Okay. Cheers.
You know, red wine helps blood circulation and increases the efficiency of the heart. White meat, always better than red. So, do you swallow? And you? Thought of something interesting we can read tonight. Broaden our horizon.
Well, what about the movie?
Do we ever learn anything from those these days?
Well, I thought it's movie night.
Yes, it is, but it can also be book night.
Nice.
Yes, this is a wonderful book I think that we'll enjoy. But first, before we do that...
What again?
Just chill, relax. Way too much sugar for the day. I'll be back. First,
Oh,
coffee.
wait, wow. I never knew you were this observant. Wait, did you bring me coffee because you knew I like it?
I brought you coffee so that we can read well into the night. Now, I'm going to start from page 1. For my daughters, I love you beyond words. You're the reason I heal. For my readers, when we heal ourselves, we heal our lineage. Healing is an act of community care. Now, the first chapter is starting from scratch, which is what we're going to do. For years, I have been teaching folks from all walks of life how to use writing as a way to... Hey, I'm so sorry about your running tummy.
Thank you. It's nothing, and I should have listened to your advice. Instead, I kept eating those cakes like my life depended on it.
I actually enjoyed watching you eat those cakes.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, you look so cute and cuddly.
Thank you.
Anyway, I was on my way to work. I thought I'd bring you something for your tummy.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
You brought a bowl for me?
Exactly. Look, it's all natural. Oh, this is better than any drug that you can ever take. Besides, I care about you, okay? I'll just feel better so you can attend to my request. Take 3 glasses first, and then 1 every 8 hours.
3 glasses and 1 every 8 hours.
Absolutely, until you finish it. Okay?
Thank
All
you.
right, gotta go. Make sure you finish everything. You'll feel better by morning.
Bye.
He seems sincere and intentional.
It's a little too serious and boring.
He's handsome too.
That is the score he had.
I'm guessing you made a choice before you arrived at your present predicament.
I did.
How did you go about it?
Hey girl, baby la hot. Representing the hottest girls.
Please, just get out. See who is talking. Look at you.
Keep living in denial.
Oh, please.
No vex.
please.
Alpha now.
Man, Tola, I am so confused.
Wow. You should be.
And
No,
what-
you should be confused.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Have you seen you? Hot girl like you in her prime, you know, shuffling between 2 eligible, handsome men who are fighting for her attention.
Will you just stop
should be
exaggerating?
confused.
Stop it.
So what's it gonna be?
Look, Tola, I need your help.
is stressful. Eh? All those stupid things I've been doing on this day.
Come pick it up. I told you now, when I tell you I'm going to do something.
Jamie, my car is not starting now.
So you better show me some love now.
What do you mean, why?
All right.
I gave my car to service and tell me that and ask me why.
Okay, baby, bye. Love you.
I should check the fuel pump. Is it my duty to check fuel pump or battery? See, look, just come meet me where I am now and get this car out of here because I'm tired of your rubbish.
Having car troubles.
Man, this guy, I just gave the man a car to service, so now it's not starting. Tell me I check fuel pump, I check battery. Whose job is this?
I know the right solution for you. This guy is a lifesaver.
You know, I had all these things, though. I had all these things. They always just steal them from me if I leave my car.
I know.
Thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome, man.
Okay. Babes,
I'm coming.
faster, beg.
Girl, I am so nervous. So nervous.
It doesn't look like it's in the middle.
Gosh. Let me just go put the food together. I'm coming.
Be fast.
Okay, come.
Okay. That's it. Where are you now?
I'm coming.
You need help.
Wait, let me bring the glasses first.
Okay, fine.
You know what? See, let me just quickly drop this. I think I should just go up and change. But then maybe you just serve the food, right?
Okay.
You just serve the food, right? So I can just quickly
Don't worry,
go.
it's fine.
Okay, all right.
Bye, baby.
Thank you.
Okay. Be fast, though.
You're good.
Come on!
This guy is a lifesaver.
It is, absolutely.
It is.
Who would have thought? Thanks, man.
No.
I didn't even get your name.
Benji,
Benji, Somi.
nice to meet you.
Let me get your number in case of anything.
Oh, that's fine.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Let me take a look.
Yeah.
Wow, it even has lights.
Cool.
Thanks, man.
Man, I gotta run.
Same.
Gotta be somewhere.
I know, I'm supposed to be room somewhere, but I'll go and relax first. This song is too much.
I know.
Nice, thanks,
Take it
man.
easy, man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
God bless you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's see the first person to get here.
What if both of them get here at the same time?
Oh, that's possible. Then we switch to plan B. Yes, remember plan B? You go with the first person that comes, and then I corner the second person. Did you get it?
This whole thing is crazy, you know.
But you have to make it peak, so just go with the flow. Calm down.
I am really going to kill you, I swear.
Well, what is dead will never die, so yeah. Calm down, Jerry.
Girl.
Are you sure you're good with your dress?
Yes.
Oh, okay, let's see how it goes. I think this will work.
Dude, first impression matters, I know. I'll make it, don't worry. No, now when I come back, I'll fix your document for you. I'll do it. Look, see, just pray that my visit goes well. Otherwise, no show for you. Okay? All right, bye. Bye, get off my phone.
Emily. Did you make this yourself?
Hello, did you see anyone else here when you walked in?
This is good. I'm just saying to myself now, if I manage to wrestle my way into her heart, so she'll keep making me meals like this every day.
Please don't start, please.
I definitely will start because this food, tasty.
So you like the food?
What? It's like asking me a question. Is Emily beautiful? Like, because we already know she's beautiful.
Oh my
Why would
goodness.
you ask?
Thank you.
But I should thank you though. Because look at this meal. Only God knows how many hours you used in cooking this food. You went to the market and to buy all of this chicken, the greens, everything, the salad. Don't talk of the financial stress on you.
Come on, don't worry. I'm not complaining.
I think I should make this memory last.
What do you want to do?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
In the movies, they'll say action. So I'm gonna call my own action. Action. So, here I am. I have been garnished with this meal. Delicious. The chicken, the wine, made by this beautiful soul. Who is yet to be untouched or explored. But I've eaten, I've tasted, I've sipped the wine. And it's all because of this beauty that is captured in my 3-lens camera.
Benji.
Look at her pretty face and her curves.
Stop, Benji. Stop it.
I love it.
Oh my gosh. You are crazy.
Just a little bit of madness. But it's captured. This meal. I can't stop thinking about it. So delicious. I can't think straight. I'm thinking fried rice.
Oh my gosh, Benji, please.
Fried rice, chicken, salad, wine, lips. And like chicken lips
Oh, goodness.
or lips.
Benji.
Lips.
Did he tick the boxes?
He took the box with him. The box and the marker.
Wow. And what was your response?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I am so glad you came.
What? Don't even go there. If I were to be late, I'll be a fool.
Come on, you can never be a fool.
I'm full already. With a stomach this full, I can hold you in my hand.
Oh.
Wow, 1-0.
You're so silly. Stop it.
I'll wait. Don't worry, I'll wait. But while I wait,
Oh my God, Benji.
I'll see you.
All right.
I'll see you.
All right. Take care. Thank you.
To say the truth, I don't entirely understand the tactics you employed into making your choice. But I'd like to see the transition into your breaking point.
Do you think I can ever heal?
We all heal. Even the dead heal.
Lately, I've been considering suicide.
But you came here to embrace life and talk out death.
But then why does it hurt so much to be betrayed?
Human behavior is confusing, but it can be navigated calmly.
He came late.
Who?
I'm sorry I'm late. Promise this is unprecedented. Like, I'm never late. In my office, everybody knows me as Mr. Punctuality. In fact, I've won Employee of the Year 3 years in a row.
I'm happy for you.
I'm really sorry. Okay, look, listen, it was conditions and scenarios way beyond my control. All right? Anyway, this is very nice. Tastes good.
Thank you.
Although, you know, the spices are not really good for you. Not really healthy. And the chicken.
And what's with the chicken?
Soft, tender, but a little bit salty. You know, adults at our age, we can't be eating salt all the time, you know. How much did it cost you for all of this?
Just a few naira notes.
Please, I'd like to support as an encouragement for next time.
Oh, don't worry about it.
I insist. Okay. I'd like to support. So, how old are you again? Yeah, I can barely move after eating all that food. I have something for you.
Okay.
I told myself that I wasn't going to come empty-handed and eat all your food and fill my belly without actually giving you something, you know, from me to you, and at least the woman that I yearn for.
Thank you.
Seriously, you should really think about opening a restaurant, you know. I mean, a woman your age, statistics shows that a lot of women don't cook, you know. And with your qualities, I'm telling you, you'd make a lot of money. You know, 35% of the women of your age limit don't even bother cooking. They always have nannies and things. And the food business is thriving in Nigeria. I mean, yes, with cost of, you know, supplies and foodstuffs, it keeps going increasing, but the consumer understands this and, you know, you make a lot of money.
I'll think about that.
Okay. Well, I hope you like the flowers. But don't smell them too much because, you know, the pollen is also not very good for your health. But at least they're pretty.
Yes, they are. Thank you.
Okay, well, I'm so sorry I'm late again.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
I'm sorry I'm late again.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, all right. Thank you for everything.
All right. Thank you for coming.
Bye.
He nailed it then.
He nailed nothing. His shocking move on me and his awkward words took me by surprise. I was shocked to my bones, and I just couldn't react.
So, would you say that gave him a point over Benji?
I am not here to give marks.
All right, I'm sorry. So let's go to the breaking point. When did the problem start?
You know I was not supposed to be here.
But you are here now.
Do you usually blog about your client sessions too?
Those are strictly out of my blog.
Well, my case might be different.
Why do you say so?
I finally made my decision.
Who did you choose?
Oh God. Why am I even like this? This is simple. Like, who does this really? Why am I being weird all of a sudden? Hey, hello?
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm fine, and you? Thank you again for the flowers.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll come over to your place tomorrow so that we can talk things out.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. I'll see you. Bye.
Come on in.
Hi.
Amara Chuku. Ha! This girl. You're just always busting my head all the time. Look at you. You're so beautiful. And this your height, eh? This your height is just messes me up all the time. Amara Chuku.
Yeah, baby.
My sunshine.
Yeah.
Love of my life. I can do nothing without you.
You're so sweet.
Why am I so sweet? Because you are my honey.
Can I see?
Oh yeah, sure. Sure.
Okay.
Let me take your bag for you.
Okay.
It's like a stranger asking, can I sit in my to-be new home?
Okay.
This is your to-be new home.
You serious?
Where do I start from? Let me help you take off your shoes.
Oh.
Take off your shoes.
Okay.
Look at those long legs.
So where do we start from?
I'll tell you where we start from.
Okay.
Look, I've told you stop calling me. Stop calling me. I have decided to move on with my life. I think you should do the same. So you want me to lie to you so I can just be between your legs? You want me to just be someone else? Look, I expect a life of trust and honesty. Okay, and I found somebody who can do that to me. Yes. Just stop calling my number, okay? Take care of yourself.
Hey, Somi. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'll see you soon, okay?
I made you coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
I
you.
wanted you to have a taste of my magic food.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's so sweet.
Taste it. You like it?
Yeah.
I like you better.
Oh, thank you so much.
Just stay right here. I'm coming.
Alright.
Okay, let me just check who's at the door.
Alright.
Chai, this Chiamaka, she has pepper body. Wait for your turn. Don't hear your time. Told you to come by. Come by 11. Why are you here now? Shit. Shit. Think, guy, think. Amara, you need to leave now.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
My wife just came in, so you need to leave.
Your wife? You're married?
Stop asking me questions. You need to leave now. You need to
You're married? You never mentioned that to me?
Just let's go. Take your shoes, let's go. Let's go, please.
Leave me alone!
Let's go. Let's go.
Look, I'm on my way, okay? I'm on my way. I'll call you back.
Hey, have you been here for long?
Before sunset.
I'm so sorry. I've walked myself yesterday. Come in.
Hey.
Waka, God go punish you. God go punish you.
like you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I hear that it is not so good for your health.
Who's telling you that? All those bloggers. Don't believe them.
No, not just any blogger, like a Aproko doctor.
That guy. I beg that guy to do. What's his own? I mean, sometimes he's right, but then he should calm down.
Whatever.
Coffee is life. Like it? The right blend.
Nice, thank you. I promised you that I was going to, stop by to give you an answer to your request.
Yes. Yes. Let's hear what your beautiful lips has to say to my ears.
Benji, you're a great guy. And you're fun. But the thing is,
Do you think your sessions are safe with me? Your answer is important to the results we're trying to achieve.
ask your question again.
Do you trust me?
What do I have to lose?
Let's continue from your narration.
Why do you stop? Huh?
I don't want this to be the foundation of our relationship.
Babe, listen. There are no rules to love, okay? No regulations, no principle, nothing is passion. It's what you feel in your skin. I feel it already and I know you do as well, so why stop?
Are you really into me?
I'm going to tell you the truth. Listen, I know my kind of person. I've shaded lies so many times and I make it like the truth that melts the heart. Ironically, I've lost my place of truth a long time ago because I just wallow in pleasure and fun. It makes me sour.
What are you saying?
I'm saying I don't want you.
Ben, I choose you.
I don't want you for just pleasure and fun. I want you for keeps. To rewrite my wrongs.
You mean that?
With all of my heart. I mean, if I'm worthy of you, with all my imperfections.
You're just perfect for me.
Come here.
You made a choice, or he got you hooked.
I was just stupid, naive, and hungry for an adventure and vibe. If you were in my shoes, who would you pick?
I'd go with Sammy. How well did you enjoy this man who seemed to have injected you with so much pain?
Look, I would like for this session to end soon.
You need to get your money's worth.
So you believe you can help me push through this trauma?
We are already on the right track. You are gradually breaking it down for me to be able to understand the climax when we get there.
And what happens when we get there?
You just leave that to me.
You know what? This is how far I can go for today.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be here, and I'm never late.
See you.
See you.
Hey, my love.
Hey.
What's up? So I felt you would want to munch on something.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how's it going with the session?
I made you a promise and I'm on it.
She giving you tough time?
She's trying her best.
So do you feel any better from when you started?
Worse.
Oh, my baby. It's always like that sometimes, but it's a gradual process, right?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. So have you opened up to her yet, or you're still not comfortable?
Well, it's a step-by-step process and she needs to understand the build-up.
Yeah. And you are making her understand it, right?
to your words. I mean punctuality.
I must confess, you did. What happened to it?
It fell and broke.
Don't you think your cup has served its purpose?
Please don't you dare take advantage of my hurt. I am broken beyond an ordinary coffee cup.
Ordinary, you say? This cup symbolizes a lot in your predicament.
It was a mistake.
I'm glad you admit it. That we all make mistakes. You made a mistake that brought you before your pain. And now I'm standing before you, telling you that I do not blame you. Sit. This cup is broken into so many pieces. It can't be fixed. But that is not applicable to you. You are not an item. You are human. And you have the capacity to remold yourself. To let go of past mistakes and be scrubbed clean. By sharing this with me, you are gradually letting me in. And by doing so, you are handing over the baton to me to guide you out.
I changed the date.
Oh. So, let us continue from where we stopped. So, what did you tell Somi since he was hurt by you disappointing him?
Hi.
Hey, come in. Can I get you anything?
No, I'm okay. I know I should have been here a long time ago, but the reason behind my delay is why I am here.
You're here to turn me down and serve me with a rejection card.
What makes you think so?
Because food prepared in the morning, by dinner time should have gone sour by now.
I'm sorry I'm late.
It's not about being late. It's about being truthful.
I like you, Somi.
Whenever a conversation starts with that, it tends to turn out to be something else.
Look, I'm not supposed to be here, but I chose to come here and see you at least.
Even if it doesn't make a difference.
I thought about your request, and
I don't match up. I'm not enough.
I want a different adventure. Something filled with fun and vibes and...
Clearly, I'm not that because I'm boring.
I'm sorry, Somi.
I love you, Emily.
This is the first time I've heard you say that.
Thank you for being sincere.
It's funny how one can have a happy moment and a sad one at the same time. It's crazy.
Maybe I shouldn't have gone to his place, you know? Maybe I should have just sent him a text. I guess it would have been easier.
There's no easy way to present rejection, you know that, right?
Do you think I've made the right choice?
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Then knock it off. Listen, Somi didn't check all the boxes. It's boring and too serious. Then G, on the other hand, has a way of putting a smile on your face, and that's happiness. You know we're all looking for happiness, right? Yeah, that's it.
But then what if Somi keeps coming back?
Nah, he won't. He strikes me like a man of understanding and integrity. He won't come back. Don't worry, he won't. So, tell me about Benji. How did it go?
Madam, will you leave my room? I want to get ready for bed, please.
Okay, it's like that. I'm your unpaid therapist when you need me.
Go on.
Use and dump. Don't worry. It's okay. No problem. You will need me again.
Bye.
Are you having dinner?
No, I'm good. I'll pass. Thank you.
Benji effect, making you not to be hungry.
Please, sit down.
Bye, darling.
All right, later, bye.
How did you feel?
Terrible. I know how it feels to be rejected.
Did he ever come back?
No, he didn't.
Did you try reaching out to him?
I didn't feel the need to.
Why?
Because I was engrossed already, with a stomach filled with butterflies.
How was your relationship with Benji?
To get through the night.
Oh, babe. You are such a lifesaver, honey.
I know.
How come you make this so well?
Many years of practice.
You have a way to always make my heart beat so fast.
I just always know the right thing to say when I'm with the right person. How about you leave this walk? Hmm? Come up here, come. For now. Hmm? And spend some time together.
Okay.
Let's watch something on TV.
Oh, okay.
The walk will wait.
All right, what do you have in mind?
Let me see what's going on YouTube. I hear you. I know what you're saying. Listen. My mom has been sick. Yeah, she's sick. And she's here with me. Trust me, it's been tough. And I've had to cope with all of that. I will call you, okay? I will let you know. I will let you know when you can come. I'll let you know when you can come, okay? Just give me a break. I will let you know when you can come. Yeah, it's fine. I'll send your regards to her. All right. Bye.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What belated call?
More like debt-related call. Loans. I had to tell her my mom was sick, so she can leave me alone.
Clean them out of yours. Your mother is not sick.
I know.
But babe, you're up very early cooking, like...
I got a girlfriend. I gotta take care of her, make sure she eats.
Wait, but it is supposed to be the other way around?
Well, I was raised differently, and I know that it's not just a woman's place to be in the kitchen. It's everybody's responsibility.
Babe, where have you been all this while?
Stalking in the end.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You're forgiven.
Okay, so what are you cooking?
No, you don't want.
What?
Pretty Keep your pretty self right here, okay?
Okay.
And let me do the cooking.
Okay.
Just watch.
Alright,
I got this.
Alright, I'll watch. would you even say something like that?
But can't you see it?
Well, maybe I can't. Maybe I'm blind because you're not making any sense just yet.
I don't want anything to spoil our relationship, anything to ruin it. I don't want it.
Babe, nothing is going to destroy our relationship. We are 6 months already. Can't you see?
Moving in is going to ruin our relationship. It won't work. It's not going to work. It's just a bad idea.
Why?
Okay, if you move in now, what happens to your friend Tola? How's she gonna cope? If the rent is due, how's she gonna pay?
Darling, I'm glad that you care, okay? But I'll eventually get married, or maybe she will even get married before me. Look, we'll definitely leave each other one day.
Cohabiting is a bad decision. We shouldn't do it. If we start cohabiting now before marriage, all the excitement, all those things we should feel when we get married, it will be lost, it will be gone.
But babe, cohabiting is a form of commitment.
Cohabiting is not, it's a way of postponing commitment.
What does that even mean? You're not making any sense.
Emily, I love you. I love you so much. And I don't want anything to spoil what we have. Okay, there's some things I haven't told you.
Okay.
Maybe I shouldn't even tell you.
What is it?
My parents are divorced. And a big part of the reason why they got divorced, my father told me, was cohabiting. You know, they started living together before they got married, and it just affected the whole thing. All the vibe was lost. I don't want us to be divorced, babe. I don't.
I'm sorry about your parents.
That's the reason why we shouldn't do this. Let this thing happen organically. Let's just grow into it, phase by phase, milestone by milestone. Let's just keep it like that. Let's not cohabit. It will spoil everything. And I want us to work.
You really want us to work?
Of course, babe. I really want us to work. Come here. Cohabiting is not a choice. It's not even an option. Okay. Let's just be the way we are. Do you understand? Put a smile on your face, huh? Smile. You have me. All to yourself, huh? Smile, come on, smile. I know you want to smile.
Benji, I found this in your room while I was cleaning, and it's not mine.
You're correct.
So?
Something hit in my mind. I know we've confessed to ourselves that we love each other many times, but those are just words, right? I wanted conviction because I didn't want to suffer what I'd faced in the past.
I don't understand.
I bought this and I placed it somewhere you would always see it because I knew you were going to come and clean today. Listen, I have dated girls in the past that had serious trust issues. They were very insecure. And I said to myself, when I'm finally going to commit to a woman and get married to her, I pray that she doesn't have any trust issues. So I decided to pull this stunt.
Really? Benji?
Do you trust me?
Well, if I don't, I wouldn't want to have anything to do with you. You don't have to go through all this stress just to prove a point. Look, hey, we are a team. We don't have to test each other. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Look, all we need is love and communication.
I'm sorry.
And I am not going to be like any of your exes.
Maybe I went a little too far.
You did.
I'm sorry.
Silly.
But it could have been your science, though. I think I got it right.
You're mad.
Wait. This is like it's a D cup.
Does this look like a decal?
Let me see. Babe.
Hey.
What's up? Are you okay? Huh? Did something happen?
I was at the hospital earlier today.
Yeah. You said you were going to go to the hospital. How did that go? Is it malaria or something?
I'm 2 weeks gone.
Gone to where?
Babe, we don't need a diviner to make us understand that we are pregnant.
What do you mean by we? You're pregnant. How? What's going on? How did that happen?
Babe, we are sitting on the crime scene.
See, every time that we have sex, we use a protection, right?
Well, maybe we were not protected enough.
Even if we're not, I never came inside you. And my pull-out game is strong.
Well, Benji, maybe your pull-out game is not that good after all.
It's okay. We'll find a way around it. Huh?
Benji, please don't scare me.
Don't be scared. We'll figure it out.
Babe? Babe? Babe, what's going on? Why are you crying? Honey, talk to me. What is it?
My perfect plan. My perfect plan has been ruined.
Hold on, I don't understand. How do you mean?
There's a clause in my father's will. My father is a disciplinarian and my mom is even worse.
Okay, what is this clause about?
So, I was going to take you to meet my parents this week. That was before the news about the pregnancy.
Really? I mean, babe, that's great news.
It's not. You don't understand. They can't know that you're pregnant. Pregnant before marriage. It's like a taboo in my family. And my mom.
Wait.
It's just so bad.
But babe, I mean, They mustn't know I am pregnant. We can just rush things.
You don't know my family. Every girl that comes into my family, they run tests on them. Not just pregnancy tests, every test. Before you can come in. So if they realize that you're pregnant, see, let me show you. I was going to give you this. I was going to propose to you, take you to my family, but then when the pregnancy now happened, it just feel like all my plans have been ruined. It's just sad. I think I'm just gonna... I just abandon everything, just run away with you.
Hey.
Because I love you, baby. I don't want to be apart from you. I want us to be together. I will leave all the inheritance for you. Because you're the best thing that has happened to me. Emily, marry me. Please.
So where's the ring?
I didn't accept it just yet.
What kind of family is he from?
My dear, he's actually quite broken because of it.
And he's going to forfeit his inheritance.
Yes, and it is making me quite restless. Like,
relax, calm down.
I'm really trying to relax, but I cannot. And then at the same time, I don't want to be the reason for any regrets later in life.
That's crazy. This guy likes you.
Tola, I'm so confused right now.
So what's the plan?
I'm thinking that maybe I should just abort the pregnancy.
Are you out of your mind?
No, I am not, okay? Or maybe I am. But then put yourself in my shoes now. Just think about it for a moment. Look, Benji has not made anything out of himself yet, okay? And his own share of the inheritance might place him well in life. And it's going to make him financially stable, and I will benefit from it eventually.
So why are you so sure of this?
Because he was supposed to introduce me to his family this week.
Ha.
Tola, you're a nurse.
And?
Did you do it? You don't have to overthink it.
I did it.
Tola helped you.
She refused.
How then did you go about it?
I found a way.
Let's proceed. What was his reaction?
I avoided him for a few weeks so I could heal before going over to tell him.
How did he take it?
Hey, beautiful.
Hi, sugar boy.
Hey, what's going on? How are you?
I missed you so much.
You've missed me, but then I haven't seen you in how long? Huh?
You didn't call me, you know that.
So if I don't call you, don't call me. Is that what we're doing now?
You know now.
Huh? Come here. Come and tell me. Tell me how much you miss me, baby.
You know I missed you so much.
Laura.
You know I've missed your money.
this girl. You just say what comes to your mouth. So,
Obviously.
aside from my money, what else did you miss?
I missed you, you know that.
I missed your sugar as well.
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
Let's go upstairs.
Why do you want to go upstairs when we can just be here? Who's this pizza guy?
Try calling him again now.
I wonder where he is.
Try reaching him.
Yeah, he called me that time. Let me call him back. What are we watching? You haven't even said anything. Chief, where are you now? Oh, you're at the estate gate. I just come straight in. My house is A16. Okay. Yeah. What were you saying?
I said you should go upstairs.
Yeah, but I prefer it downstairs because you always give me better action when we're downstairs.
So we can try something different.
And what about we try what works? Flora, my flower.
Oh.
This guy's good. He's fast.
Is he?
Yeah. Hang on.
Hey, babe.
Emily.
Baby! Babe? The delivery company sent a lady.
Okay,
Babe, where's the pizza?
if you allow me, I can explain what's going on here.
Thank you for rewarding me with this. Thank you for making me kill my child.
Babe, who is she?
Shh, just shut up.
Who is she now?
Obviously, she's not the delivery person.
So who is she?
You need to leave.
I should leave.
Miss Sunshine.
Hey.
Do you feel better?
A little.
That's good.
Thank you.
I barely did anything.
Oh, you rescued me when you really didn't have to. I probably would have been knocked down by a car or something.
Hey, don't talk like that. Look, I'm just glad you're okay, all right?
I'm sorry about everything I did to you.
Look, now is not the time for that, okay? Besides, it's been over a year, all right? Things like this happen, you know, I've moved on from that. I'm not even, you know? I made you something to eat because I thought you might be hungry. So you can eat something quickly and then I can drop you off if that's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. You should read this book. It's very nice. Be back.
Do you hate him?
Benji is sick. He needs therapy, deliverance, and all-round cleansing. Is there a word greater than hate?
Well, depends on personal perception and intent.
He is a devil. Carved out from a beautiful red rose with lips spiced with words that cannot be held in jars of water.
What about his inheritance?
He had none. His family name is not known anywhere. You see, Benji was birthed into poverty from a poor family of farmers in Shagamu. His family never dreamt of having a lawyer, not to talk about having a will. They have made a pact with poverty because his family is never destined to entertain wealth in their lineage.
He played you.
It was never a game of chess.
Somi was the right box after all. On a range of 1 to 100, what did you rate him?
15.
Ironically, the bearer of such a low score rescued you.
And I gave him a chance, opening wounds with visible blood.
How did he take it?
I can't deny the fact that I regret everything.
Hey, come on. I don't want you to regret anything anymore, okay?
But will you ever be able to accept me completely?
I think the real question is that if I forget you.
I just have a condition.
What's that?
Look, I know that we shouldn't be starting off with a condition. But,
Look, just do you, okay? Be yourself.
I want this relationship to blossom outside sex.
You don't want to have sex?
I don't want to.
Will it make you happy?
Yes. Will it make you happy?
Hey. You don't look good. Are you okay?
Girl, I don't know. The past few days I've just been feeling a little weird, but then when I came back from my outing, I've just been feeling very, very weak. I don't know, I don't know what's going on.
Sorry. Maybe you should come by the hospital to run some tests. Just to be sure, you know?
I think I should, since you're going to be on duty, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'll come by later.
Oh, I don't know. Let me rush down to the store. I need to pick something.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
What was the result? You can do this.
HIV positive. That was when everything came crashing.
You're already pulling through. You're doing great. Did you have any sexual encounters with Somi?
Not at all. Not even a kiss.
Did you inform Benji as soon as you got the result?
I tried several times trying to call him, but his numbers were not connecting. I even went over to his house and they told me he had moved, but I know that is a lie.
You're already on the right track. Seeking help and adhering to your drug regimen is everything. You can now lead a normal life.
I feel like death is the better option.
Death can never be a better option. Why choose death when there is hope? Why choose death when you can help people learn from your mistakes and make positive impact?
Are you trying to convince me?
I'm trying to make you see that the positives far outweigh the negatives.
I want you to go public with Benji. Yes. So that other girls out there can learn not to become his victim. Since he's a womanizer running wild in the streets.
Is this coming from you?
Tommy advised me to go public.
I think you should put it on the blogs so that people don't fall victim.
You think so?
Absolutely. I mean, look, this guy has to be stopped. Besides, your therapist friend can help you now. I mean, she's a blogger, isn't she?
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, just talk to her when you go back on Monday. Everything will be fine.
You know what? I actually think that is a good idea.
I think it's a brilliant idea. I mean, you know, you might be worried about what people say about you, but a lot of women will come out and support you because you did the right thing. You know? And don't worry, I got you, okay?
Wow. That's a lot of support he has for you right there.
He has been very helpful. Thank you
Or
for being there.
Love is a risk, okay?
Thank you.
Now, where did we stop? You see, I was telling you that Lillian is a real bad guy in this thing.
Well, I did my job like you requested after you signed.
Thank you.
And you were supposed to give me a report on his reaction when he found out.
He came to see me, but he had sent me a text when he found out, but I ignored it.
Why?
So interesting enough, his lines are now connecting all of a sudden. After I've been trying to reach out to him several times to tell him about my status.
What was his reaction?
Oh boy, now you had to talk now. Give me one of these your cutie patootie. Make me say if I just did alright. Oh God, live story. Give me one of them is what I'm saying. Yeah? You said what? What they sent to you? No, I haven't checked my phone. What are you saying? I should check. I'm looking at it. What the hell?
Oh my gosh. Girl, why do you like fruits so much?
I don't understand. It's good for the body. What are you even talking about?
You're going to make us purge, let me tell you.
Eh, do you want to compare this one to the daily bread and beans with me?
Oh yeah, start off.
Are you expecting any money?
No?
Calm down.
Emily, what's the meaning of this I'm reading on the blog?
And what right do you have to come here and start shouting?
Stay out of this. Tell me it's a lie. Emily.
Benji. I gave you my love, my peace, and my life while almost giving you a child. I was blind and foolish to have believed your lies. You whispered sweet nothings into my ear, erasing all sanity out of me. You swept me off my feet and took them right along with you.
Emily, it wasn't my intention.
And then you had the nerve to lie to me about your inheritance, while crowning it with the numerous women you have been messing with. And now I am left with a scar that can never be erased. You infected me.
Emily,
You know what? I forgive you. I actually forgive you. Because that is the step I am already taking to get better. Now get yourself out of my house and never show your face here ever again. Else I'm going to do worse.
Hey, Oga. Do me a favor. I don't want to see you or your scruffy, ugly-looking face around here again. Since you have chosen to go to hell, I think you should do it with some dignity. Rada. Walking infection. Listen, that's the door, okay? So it doesn't have any female attribute, but I want you to walk out through that door. Get out. Get out! Brother, come and be going, I beg. Look at him, one would think he's innocent. Emily. Babe. It's okay. Enough of the regret. You're already pulling through.
I wish everything was different. I wish I could just go back in time and fix everything.
Regret is not going to change anything. You're really taking the right step.
I wish I never gave my heart out.
Oh, enough. Stop it.
I just wish this was all a dream. God.
Listen, I know how you feel.
Tola, please. You don't know how I feel. You don't have a single idea about how I feel. My life has been ruined.
What? No. Your life is very much intact.
Tola, please. I know that you're a good friend. Do not patronize me right now.
But we're in this together. Listen, you and I, we're in this together.
But I am the one that has it. Not you, Tola, me. I'm the one who has this. I am the one who has been misled. How do I even begin to right the wrongs?
And I'm the one that is here every day and night, making sure that you are fine. If you see this job of mine, I will do it to perfection. Emily, you are my friend. You're my sister. And the people out there hurt you. I am the one that is going to be here to make sure you heal. And if it requires I go to war for you, I will draw swords, I will spill blood for your sake. Can't you see it? It's okay. Emily, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere.
If I had the means, I will hurt him on the spot.
That wouldn't change anything. Anger breeds more pain, but forgiveness heals the soul and presents opportunities for peace.
Everybody knows about me now.
It takes a bold and courageous woman to come out like you did. The world will adjust. What matters is that you exercise, diet, and take your pills judiciously. Where is he now?
He is where he ought to be.
How did you find out?
The moment I found it, everything about my world paused, and it made me wonder why he didn't open up to me about it. I simply could not put my hand on what he was thinking and why he wouldn't open up to me about it. all kinds of emotions came rushing through me because it made me wonder all along. He knew, even before he pursued me, wanting to be with me from the very beginning. I needed to know why.
Emily, I can explain. Emily, listen to me, please.
Don't touch me. You have washed me. Broken. Shattered. In shreds. Reminiscing of my agony and sorrow regarding my status. You've given me a shoulder to lean on. Giving me hope that I will pull through from all this.
Please, just hear me out. I can explain.
Explain what? You have nothing to explain. Who the hell are you?
Listen, I'm just coming from a confession. Okay?
That stupid confession will not help you because you will burn in hell. I just have one question. In as much as I know that Benji is in the picture of it all, why? Why?
Listen. I just came from confession because the guilt has been eating me up. Okay? Look, the night I brought you back, he says, just relax. Let me fix you something that'll make you feel better. You know I love you and I've always loved you.
I want a different adventure. Something filled with fun and vibes and...
There is someone else, and I don't want to love you out of pity.
I don't deserve this.
What do you mean?
I don't deserve you caring for me, looking out for me, trying to make me feel better even after everything I've done to you.
Hey, come on. Life happens, okay?
Yes, and we get punished for our sins.
Okay, enough about that. Just try, okay? You'll feel better. Listen, I need to go just let's drink some more, okay? It's not about being late. It's about being truthful.
I like you, Sonny.
Whenever a conversation starts with that, it tends to turn out to be something else.
Look, I'm not supposed to be here, but I chose to come here and see you at least.
Even if it doesn't make a difference.
I thought about your request, and
I don't match up. I'm not enough.
I want a different adventure. Something filled with fun and vibes and...
Clearly, I'm not that because I'm boring.
I'm sorry, Sophie.
I love you, Emily. Rejected me. You made me the second fiddle. I was the second option. Even though I found you that day after he rejected you, I felt like you were just going to use me and go back to him. So I had my way with you. So that if you go back to him, you can feel my anger. Listen to me. I know couples who live with this pain.
You demon. I've been looking for the devil. And all this while I did not know that I've been living with him. I swear I would never forgive you for this. Until the day I died. In the instant I take my last breath, you will follow suit on me. You burned in hell for bringing me this pain intentionally.
Emily.
I heard he ended it.
Do you feel guilty?
If I had my way, I would raise him from the dead and kill him 500 times over before finally letting him die.
Forgiveness is not for the offender. It is for you. So so you can heal.
And I have taken that step.
You also need to be forgiven.
By who?
Benji.
I don't care about him. Because he is actually the genesis of everything that has brought me to this point. His actions led me to the doorstep of the person who brought this upon me.
Benji sent me an email this morning.
What does he want from you?
He attached the result of his HIV test. He is negative. I will have to go public with that result, since the blog already posted him as positive. It's the right thing to do. But I'd like you to see him first and talk things through. For you.
What are you doing here?
I came here to apologize for accusing you wrongly and for tarnishing your image. I didn't do it to get back at you for hurting me. I did it for the benefit of all, especially all the foolish girls around like me. Benji, I am really, really sorry for what this might have cost you. The stigma which I am now used to, and the emotional part of it which you might have been battling with. Right now, I am in the process of my truth. And to heal, I have to let myself accept me. For me. I have dropped anger and regret aside and I've decided to focus on my growth. While making my medication my priority, I've decided to fight, not just for myself, but for my kind who feel like they have no hope. Benji, please. I really pray and hope that you forgive me. I am truly, truly sorry.
I don't hold anything against you. I never did right by you anyway. I got carried away in pleasure and fun. And I lost sight of the one important thing in my life. You. I broke your trust. I hurt you. I didn't value the love that you had for me. To believe your self-worth. I made you feel less of yourself and pushed you into this. So no, I don't hold anything against you. I'm the one that should be sorry because I came in so sweet and then I became so sour.
I'm sorry once again. And thank you. Thank you, Benji. Take care of yourself.
Emily, I'm sorry I ruined your coffee experience. But if you let me, I'd like to change the cup.
They didn't see the love in my eyes. It made me cry, and now I am alone in my head. Who will understand, even if I narrate my fault? Life has become very busy for me. Busy with worries and regrets in my head. And now I believe that the hardest thing about getting old is regrets. It is not all about the things I did. It is about the things I didn't do. I could be what I have always wanted to be, but life has given me a different coffee experience. And in my taste for my harmless addiction, while hoping to secure love, I have tasted the positive. And now I so much desire the negative, ironically. I wish I had listened to the words of my mother on sex education. The constant reminder of the importance of abstinence or protection. But here I find my adult life so childish before my regret. I will hold on to all I have left and make my pills my new addiction. At the end, the chance that life is enough to breathe in hope. I won't give up. I will survive and be an inspiration to young girls out there.